Everyone, this is BooredFemme, and today I wanted to show you this fabulous press kit that I received from Ifrogz. So this is a lot of fun. So what do we have? This is to showcase their new lineup of affordable portable Bluetooth devices. So let's take a look. We can jam later. You can charge this up and replay this whenever you want. So talk about something putting you in the mood to listen to music. So we have the Sound of Freedom. This looks like an album cover, so you can kind of get a feel for the style here. I feel like it's a crossover of like 60s to 80s. I'm having some flashbacks. So we open this up and it is a product guide for each. So it shows you, each of the 5 devices, some other fun specs, and the pricing. So these range from anywhere from $19.99 to $34.99. So lesson learned, don't spend so much on your kids. You can find something that's much, much, much more affordable. Sound of Freedom t-shirt, thank you very much. We have some other fun doodads here, a Polaroid of some scary dude DJing, love that, Ifrogz, and vinyl, Sound of Freedom. So I know where that's going. Let's see, now we have the USB, so we've got some more info there. And then a fun card on each of the 5 headphones/earphones. So we have the Flex Force, we have the Toxic, the Free Reign, the Resound Wireless, so these are on ear, and then the Resound earbuds. Okay, so you've got really, nice little quick snapshot, a little summary of each of the 5. Very punk, like very 80s punk/graffiti style to these, so I really like it. Right up my alley. And then we open this up. Here we go. You now have all 5 showcased here. So we have the Free Reign. So you have the really more of a sport wireless. We have, I like these. These are the Flex Force. So go around your neck with the little earbuds. You've probably seen some similar. And then we have the Toxic, and then the 2 Resound. So you have the on-ear and then the earbuds. And the Resound earbuds, they have that same control that I like. That little, the control that also serves as your lapel clip, your storage and everything. And it's in rose gold. So we've got a lot of fun colors here, much more affordable. They're $19.99 to $34.99. So again, no need to spend a fortune on your kids. Get them one of these, check them out for Christmas, and just pick some fun colors. But these, again, are the new lineup by Ifrogz by Zag, and enjoy your entertainment. Subscribe, take a look at our site and each of our social media. Bye-bye.